friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am here to talk about 3 simple ways to take screenshot in your PC or laptop. If you are looking for the easiest way to take screenshot on your laptop or PC, you have come to the right place. So let's see. First method is to go through keyboard and select windows+prt as C key. Now to see whether your picture has been taken or not, just go to my computer. This is the my computer. Click on it. Go to picture. There you will see screenshot folder. Click on it. This is the picture which I have recently taken by using windows+prt as C key. Now I will be showing you the second method, that is by using Snipping Tool. Go to search section, type SNIP. You will see on the top Snipping Tool. Click on it. After clicking on the Snipping Tool, you will see a pop-up box will appear like this. Click on New. Now select the area which you want to take screenshot. For example, I want to take only this much, so I have selected the area to take screenshot. This is a picture which I have selected. Now go to File, click on Save As. Provide the location where you want to save. Now for checking whether it's saved or not, again go to My Computer. Then go to Picture. There you will see screenshot folder. Click on it. You can see this is a picture which I have recently taken by using Snipping Tool. Now I will be showing you the third method, that is by using Paint. So for that you need to go to keypad, click on PRTSC, then go to the search section, type Paint, P-A-I-N-T, click on it, then Ctrl V. You can see your picture is saved here. Now you can just edit it, crop it, you can do according to your wish or required. Now go to File, click on Save As. Provide the location where you want to save. Now for checking whether it has been saved or not, go to My Computer, Picture, Screenshot, and you can see this is a picture which I have recently taken by using third method, that is using Paint. So this is how you can take screenshot by using 3 methods. This was the method by using Paint. This is the method windows+prt as C key. This is the method which I uses Snipping Tool. So these 3 methods can be used for taking a screenshot in your PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching our videos, guys. Do like, share, subscribe and comment in the comment box for further and new videos. Thank you.